Are you listening? Damn.
Hey guys, welcome to TechBeard. In this video, we have come up with a full in-depth review and unboxing of Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 mobile, which is a successor to Redmi Note 4. Before further ado, let's get started. This is the box. From the top it contains Redmi Note 5 branding. Inside again Redmi Note 5. From the back, black 3GB 32GB variant, and it shows made in India. Let us open the box. And then there is a small box inside it. There are some user manuals and then a warranty card provided inside it. Let me keep the manuals aside. And then this time Xiaomi provided a silicone case inside the box. This is a very good job from Xiaomi. I will give you a thumbs up for this. Let me show you the device itself. The device feels sleek when compared to the previous model Redmi Note 4. The device comes with an 18:9 aspect ratio and with a Full HD Plus resolution. The box contains a USB extension cable. Let us show you the type of the USB. It is US Type B. Xiaomi again disappointed me this time also. This is a charger inside. Again it is a 5V 2A charger. So guys, fast charging is not supporting in this mobile. Let us boot the device. From the time of booting, I will show you the spec. Let me give you a physical overview about this smartphone. From the top it has a IR blaster, secondary noise cancellation microphone, and then a 3.5mm jack. On the right hand side it has a volume rocker and a power on off button. From the bottom it has primary microphone, USB for charging, and then a speaker. The port is Type B. On the left hand side it has a hybrid SIM slot which supports 4G VoLTE out of the box. On the back it has a 12 megapixel primary camera with a dual tone LED flash and then a fingerprint sensor. On the bottom it has a Mi logo. On the front it has 5 megapixel selfie camera with LED flash, earpiece and proximity sensors. It has 18:9 aspect ratio with a Full HD Plus display with a maximum brightness of 450 nits. It has a 2.5D glass protected with Corning Gorilla Glass. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 and Adreno 506 GPU. This device runs on Android Nougat. It has a user interface of MIUI 9. The cellular call quality is clear. The headphone and the speaker provides very good quality sound. Let me set up my fingerprint for testing. The fingerprint sensor is so fast and accurate, there is no issues in this. Even though it has 4000 mAh battery, the device feels not heavy that much. There is a bunch of preloaded Microsoft apps. Let me give you a camera samples. These were the shots that I have taken during testing. Do let me know your opinions on the camera samples in the comment section. These were the shots that I have taken via selfie camera. For more useful videos and contents, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to join the notification squad.